People out here are not your friend. Don't join foolish trends. One, before you post, check the content. So this particular video is just a concern that I've noticed. I've seen that people don't know the difference between what to post on social media and what not to post on social media. Because these days, people post everything on social media. They don't know what to keep private and what not to keep private. But I would like you to know that social media never forgets. The fact that social media is what you can just, in a second, you've posted on almost all social media, doesn't mean you should just post everything on social media. Right now, people have put themselves in a lot of problems by posting on social media. People have damaged people's marriages. People have damaged their dignity. People have ruined relationship, friendship. People have, in a way, killed themselves because of social media. So in this video, I'm going to be letting you know how to differentiate what you should post on social media and what not to post on social media. The first thing you should not post on social media is family, right? Except the entire member of that family are social media influencers, especially children. On social media, you got married, posted on social media. You gave birth, posted on social media. Everything, your certificate, everything, except maybe you are posting on maybe professional platforms like LinkedIn, maybe for work purpose. Understand that, but don't post everything. Every aspect of your life shouldn't be on social media. There's one thing you should understand, that it is only what you let out that people can use to bring you down in a way, right? Is what you let people hear or what you tell people that people can use like an arsenal to fight you back, right? So this is just, I don't know whether it's like a note of warning, but ensure that whatever you post, you read through it 3 times, 4 times, whether you're posting videos or you're posting pictures, right? People out here are not your friend. Even in life, look at your communities. Everybody in your community, your friend. Talk more of social media, where some people are seeing your pictures and seeing your post and they are frowning, right? So, one, before you post, check the content. Look at the future of that content. Is there anything in this post that is going to implicate you or implicate your family? Number two, is there anything in this post that is going to be like a pointer for people to harm you, right? Maybe you're posting your location, you're posting where somebody can easily find you, right? You're letting people know where you are, when you, and things in that light. Don't do that. Number next, why are you even posting? Are you posting to please people or you're posting to pepper them? Who are you peppering? Who are you competing with? Right? You're not competing with anybody. The only person you're competing with is yourself. So clarify this. Am I posting this because I want to post, or am I posting it because of somebody? Trust me, if you are posting because of somebody, it's a good time not to even post. Lastly, I'll say what you are posting, of what value is it to another person? If what you are posting is not valuable, it's not bringing in money, it's literally not valuable, please don't post it. Don't post it. The last note I'm going to leave you with is that before posting, ensure that that post is not going to bring you down. Look at the post well. Read it. You know, sometimes when you post, what you are saying, people are interpreting it differently in their head. So look, see the end, or how do they say it? To see the end from the beginning. Sit and look at it. Don't just post without thinking, without using your head. Look at it. If you need to blow out some images, blow out. If you need to cut out some parts, cut out. Don't post because of social media likes. Don't join trends, foolish trends that you have to be naked, you have to show. Join foolish trends, right? Don't join foolish trends. I rest my case.